Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM21. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, let's talk about the issue at hand. If your Thermomix TM21 isn't heating properly, it's likely due to a faulty temperature sensor. This can happen over time due to wear and tear or even a buildup of residue. If not addressed promptly, it can lead to inconsistent cooking results and may ultimately damage your device. To fix this, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement temperature sensor, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged. Carefully flip the device over and locate the screws on the base. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws, keeping them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the top casing off, taking care not to force it. The temperature sensor is usually located near the heating element. You can identify it by its wiring and shape. Disconnect the cables carefully, ensuring you remember where each one goes. To extract the faulty sensor, you may need to unscrew it from its mounting. Be gentle when applying force to avoid damaging nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you have the old sensor out, take your replacement sensor and carefully fit it into place, securing it with screws. Reconnect the cables as per your notes, ensuring they are snug and not loose. Now, it's time to reassemble your Thermomix. Place the top casing back on and secure it with the screws you removed earlier, making sure everything is aligned correctly. Finally, plug your device back in and run a quick test to ensure it heats properly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly clean your Thermomix, especially around the heating element. Also, avoid using it for prolonged periods without breaks, allowing it to cool down. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.